Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Toddler Swing Seat.
Number 5.
Little Tikes 2-in-1 Snug and Secure. Easy unhinged T-bar. Stay put shoulder straps hold baby securely in place. As the child grows and doesn't require the T-bar or straps, they store conveniently out of the way. This outdoor baby swing is the perfect addition to any swing set. This product does not come with anchors. Made in the USA. Maximum fall height protection up to 7 feet required.
Number 4.
Squirrel Products High Back Full Bucket. Outside fun, ideal for young children learning how to swing as they build core strength and get swing set accessories. The high back full toddler swing is designed to be added to a swing set. Dependable design. Feel confident and worry-free as kids' backyard playtime activities stay safe and fun. Specifications. Includes one high back full toddler swing with 66 inches of chain. Made with your child in mind, our toys and sporting goods are modernized versions of Pool.
Number 3.
Lil Zippy Children's Zip Line Seat. Toddlers, now even the smallest members, max rider weight 50 pounds, of the family can ride the backyard zip line. Industrial cable, coated with soft rubber for little hands and a wood crosspiece secures sides of seat. Seat, weather resistant, durable plastic seat. Small riders can be comfortable while they squeal with delight. Connection. Steel locking oval carabiner with screw gate easily connects to zip line trolleys designed for seat attachments. Toddlers, now even the smallest members, max rider weight 50 pounds, of the family can ride the backyard zip line.
Number 2.
Key's Fun Safety and Growth Rocking Chair. The easy-to-hinge T-bar and fixed shoulder strap securely hold the baby in place. The swing rope is a very strong weather-resistant rope with a maximum stainless steel hoop and plastic ring fixed rope end, exquisite workmanship, high quality. Children and friends can enjoy this rope swing seat or change the swing suit accessories in the children's room. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to assist you and respond to your email within 24 hours.
Number 1.
Swing and Slide WS 5172 Extreme Duty Yellow Swing. Includes a 2 heavy-duty yellow swing seats with chains, and a heavy-duty ring trapeze swing. Each swing seat measures 26 x 6 x 5 and features heavy-duty reinforced plastic seat. Each swing seat includes two 58 zinc-plated steel chains with pinch-free yellow vinyl coating. Heavy-duty swings support up to 250 pounds while the Toddler swing supports up to 55 pounds. Toddler swing offers safety and comfort in a durable plastic construction with high seat back and water and mold repellent padding.